Hi, myself Aparanjini Priyadarshini. We are continuing the Bootstrap classes.
If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, click on bell button, share and comment your doubts and like this video.
That in the last class we have seen the buttons, and in this session we will see the list class. So let me take a new folder file, that is 12.html, html colon 5, and inside this a link tag, and here bootstrap.css. And here I'm taking a container, and inside a row column of 6. Here a list is a collection of items. So here also we will use the list only, normal list only, but we can use the div tag as well as ul also. So both we will see. So ul I am taking ul class of list hyphen group. Inside this li, a class of list hyphen group hyphen items. So here let me take apple. So all this I'm going to copy. How many you want, that many you can copy, and change here banana, mango, orange, grapes. Now let me browse this and we will check. Now see, this is a list. So here the list is going to be like separated with a line, and borders also will be present. So the same thing I'm going to use. Instead of ul, I'm taking the div. So here a div class of list hyphen group, and inside this only I'm going to copy the same thing. Both it is going to be created. Now here we will have another class that is called group hyphen flesh. So when we are taking this class list group flesh, the background, I mean the outline is not going to be shows you. Only the separation of list item is going to be shows you. Along with this, you can add here also, here anywhere you can add it. So list group hyphen item hyphen primary. The default colors you can take it. So color is going to be displayed. So here I'm going to copy this. Right down here also. So all the colors is going to be displayed. So like this you can create the list. And here I'm going to create the same thing. I will copy from the row. I'll copy both. I'm going to copy the same thing. The container should be the same thing. Okay. So here, along with this list, few things, few one, two. Here we can add list hyphen group hyphen horizontal. So horizontal list has been created. So 5 also we can take, but it's a small place, so that's why I have taken only 3. That the remaining 3 also you can take. Now see, all the elements have been. Now here hyphen LG. Sorry, actually the I mean this you can write here. Write down this horizontal, and here you paste it, and hyphen LG. See, the size has been increased. So for this also you can do it, for vertical also, for horizontal also you can do it. Now see here, when I am placing here, the text cursor is displaying. See. Okay, the text cursor is displaying. Now here, okay, this empty LT list hyphen group hyphen item hyphen action. This is an action. Now see, so when I'm clicking on that, here it is not applying this effect. So the same thing we will apply on this. Copy, and on the top I'm applying here. Action. It is not active, action. Now see, here it is not there. So action button you can use, so that if you are going to be selecting or doing anything, that is going to be reflected. So we will see in the list. See, list group, list items, action, active also we can take, action, disable, active, link buttons. So action is nothing but a link buttons, flash without outline. So these are the horizontal and vertical list elements. So this is all we have seen. So this is about the list. We will continue in the next video with the table.